Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating PubG Mobile and launching the game so assets sync. This unlocks current outfit pools. Once updated, go straight to events and mail to spot Panda giveaways, login rewards, or redeem codes. Make sure to inspect the shop and crate sections for limited-time Panda bundles and featured luck draws. Do not waste time on settings. Start collecting event tasks now so you build progress towards spins, coupons, or direct purchases that include the Panda outfit. You proceed by choosing the most efficient path. If you have UC, buy the Panda bundle or crate directly to guarantee the outfit. Otherwise, focus on event tasks that reward coupons, free spins, or crate keys. Once done, prioritize Royale Pass missions that boost drop odds and earn exclusive skins. Make sure to redeem any active codes from events or social channels immediately. If using luck draws, stagger purchases across bonus periods to maximize extra spins and discount windows. You finish by opening inventory and equipping the Panda outfit or assembling fragments in the Fragment Exchange. Once equipped, verify the outfit appears in lobby and in match preview. If parts are missing, use 1/2 price sales or exchange events to fill gaps quickly. If you still don't see the outfit, gather your UID, receipt, and screenshots, then contact support with clear timestamps. This troubleshooting tip resolves most delivery issues. Be patient and follow up if the item was bought but not delivered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.